Howard Brothers, Shellman, Georgia, steers and heifers, 48-1, 48-2. Howard Brothers, steers and heifers, 48-1, 48-2. Howard Brothers, Shellman, Georgia, 48-1 would be around 46 steers, around 660. 48-2 will be 48 steers and 48 heifers. 48-2 will be 48 heifers, around 630 at delivery. Forty-eight 1, 48-2. 48-1 will be 48 steers around 660. 48-2 will be 48 heifers around 630. For delivery week of September the 23rd. Howard Brothers, Shellman, Georgia. Jeffrey and Greg Howard, steers and heifers, 48-1, 48 steers around 660, 48-2 will be 48 heifers around 630. We want a split load out of 96 total head, delivered the week of September the 23rd. With a nice set of No. 1 muscle, medium and large frame steers and heifers, sired by Angus bulls, balancer bulls, and semi-Angus bulls, and Angus cross commercial cows. Howard Brothers, Shellman, Georgia. Howard Brothers, Shellman, Georgia. Calves weighed back in June. $48-1, $48-2. Howard Brothers, Shellman, Georgia, $48-1, $48-2. Again, a really nice set of No. 1 muscle, medium and large frame steers and heifers, sired by Angus bulls, balancer bulls, and semi-Angus bulls, and Angus cross cows. Jeffrey and Greg Howard, Shellman, Georgia, been selling in the safe cattle for several years now. Doing a real good job culling and putting in new genetics. Howard Brothers, Shellman, Georgia, 48-1, 48-2. Cattle have 93 days before they get on the truck. Howard Brothers, Shellman, Georgia, 48-1, 48-2.